Hello guys, let's see how we can import data into Excel. First you go here, data, get external data from text. This is what I wanted to import, so as you see I have headers and the delimiter is a tab. So this is the name of the file. Just click import, and so it's delimited, right? And that's how it is. Just click next. The tab, yeah, sure, you have it. The columns are being captured, so you go next. It depends if your data is comma separated or semicolon separated or whatever. You can select the box here, and for example, this is date, so I would want to have it as date, and that's it. So and the rest of the data is so. Yeah, it's telling you that if you want the paste to start from here. Yes, I do. And boom, here we go. Thank you for listening.